I swear I'm good at this game. 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 Alright. Here we go. Once again. Through the gate to outskirts. Can't deny it. It was my end. I thought that was the one. Alright. Something major is going to happen when we visit the next Echo. Because it'll be the last area we can traverse. Unless we can go to the subterranean one through farm arrays. It could be blocked off. I'm wondering if it's gonna like shift things and then I will start going to the left of hydroponics. Lizzie Bit, hi. I hope you're doing well today. We are scugging up on a Friday night. Home again? Nice. Always nice whenever you can get home. Safe, secure, familiar surroundings. Alright, we're gonna go invisible again. Weeks. Ugh. Yeah, that's a long while. You're almost out of camouflage. Fight over me. Fight over me. Oh, I'm dead. Great. Okay, we have learned that camouflage, they can, if they touch you, they still will be aware of you, and then they will bite you. I was trying to hold on to those firecrackers to the next room, but that's what I get for trying to be stingy, I guess. Jackie! Alright, we got this, chat. 6 times the charm. All of those were, intentional. You know, we were gathering information. You know, we wanted to give the lizards a fighting chance. Ooh, a gooped up lizard. Huh? Huh? Why did it explode into rot? Hold on. If I kill one, does it turn into a DLL? Okay, well, we'll figure that out another time when I'm not in danger of being killed. But, at least I now know that whenever I might be close to a lizard, violence may not be the answer, because it'll just explode into a wiggler, and then you're dead. I don't like this new information. I would like to control Z. Can we go back to normal, Zonker Doodles? Okay. Shove that in our stomach, where food belongs. Let's go invisible. Now the question is, are lizards randomly infected, or are infected lizards a special circumstance? Oh no! Infected scavengers! Oh, that'll be fucked up. Oh shit. Fuck you. He exploded himself. Oh, right. I forgot the fucking cursed base Rain World scavenger toll. Oh, I hate this. All right. I would like to not die. The dude had his spears blown all the way over here. I can get some scavenger reputation. Okay, he's waving me through. Good, good, good. Good, good, good. Alright, well, I guess I can't get credit for that green kill. I need karma. I can't believe that death is gonna fuck me. Oh, I'm so fucked. Well, chat, we're gonna figure out what happens if I go invisible and cross the toll. Ooh. Ghost spear. Oh man, this means I need to go all the way. Oh, I have to go all the way back to the other side of Outskirts. Shit. Oh no, I need to deactivate camo. Oh, this is bad. This is so bad. I have to go so far to get to a shelter because the one near, drainage is gooped up. I feed this berry to something? Will infected creatures want this berry? I would like to find out. If you are gooped up on a Friday night, do you want further goop? Do you want this grape? Okay, we're doing good so far. I'm going to go invisible. Ooh, if the invisibility works to avoid drop wigs, that'll be pretty damn nice. Oh, hey, there's the gooped up pink lizard that's turning into a DLL. I don't think it's doing well, chat. I want to try and kill it, but I need this drop leg to get out of my way. No! All right, I am not going into a enclosed space with it. Okay, we are going to EP Skeege because we need to get our karma up. One place to also check, actually, is if I try to go back to the survivor start of Outskirts. We can kind of see what's going on down there, maybe. Oh yeah, that's a super short cycle. Thanks. I hate this. Rainbow! Beautiful. And everything's looking fine. I'm being silly. Let's see if we can get into the tutorial area. I need to get a spear. I think I can get a spear into this wall. Maybe I need to put a spear into this ceiling. Ooh, that's pretty far away. Barely dangling's not good. I bumped my head. Yeah, I think I put the spear too far left. Ah, fuck it. Worst case, I can use the Squid Cicada Starfly and do it that way. Let's get some food, rest for a longer cycle, and then we will do the farm arrays. Delicious. Bat flies. I wonder if the fact that we're not getting Wanderer progress is because the game hasn't really started yet. What if this has all been a dream so far? Ooh. Hey, hold on. I want a blueberry or two. I'm gonna make sure I can rest when I get into farm arrays. For passage purposes. Assuming it will even matter. Continue. Here we go. Once again. Scugging into the future, can't deny it. I'm a cat. I thought I scugged the one. I'm just gonna go invisible and not deal with any of this bullshit. Thank you. Bye. Ah! The goofer! I am gonna be very far away from you. I will do my gooping experiments some other time. We can't get the 5 pebbles. Get the 5 pebbles overseers. Actually, hold on. I need your eye. Could I oblige me? Fuck. There we go. We got the overseer eye. Perfect. Now we got something to trade with. Alright, I'm going invisible mode. I'm wondering what other creatures we might see infected. Sure, first it's lizards, but then scavengers? Vultures? Lantern mice. What if an infected lantern mouse like turns into like the most deadly enemy in the game? Oh no. That green is fighting a infected one. I'm worried. I'm also worried that they're blocking my damn way. I don't like that crackling noise. The Watcher's here! Not gonna spoil my stuff. No problem. Thanks for stopping on by, dog with rabbit ears. I hope you have a fantastic time watching your own. We're just gonna give them a whole bunch of spears. Supposed to pay the toll and pad our oh, look at that blue scavenger! Oh, that's so cool! And that vulture is quite a meanie. I would rather not die. I'm just gonna chill out for a second. Well, anyways, I started watching. Hold on. Let me get a rock, too. For good measure. Alright, chat. It's been like an hour or so. It's time for us to make some more progress. Ooh. Hey, I still got it. I can still do those crawl turn vaults. I'm a good gamer. I can schmoove. Well, it's not looking very good. That's gonna be a yikes from me, dog. All right, now the question is, will we be forced? Wait, we got a passage? What did we get? Oh, Chieftain. Yeah, that's nice. That's actually really good. I completely forgot about Chieftain. Or, I mean, that's definitely why I was doing all that trading to scavengers. Okay, we need to see if we are forced into visiting the Echo. Or if we can go other areas. Also, we've seen cyans, but not caramels. Well, chat, I feel like we're getting a little pigeonholed. I ain't no bird brain. Oh boy, I love it when the walls pulsate. How about y'all, chat? Y'all love it when walls pulsate? It gives you that nice, warm, cozy feeling, you know? It just hugs you really tight. Oh, right, pacification. Also, there are a lot of the observers here. I kind of want to put a spore puff in my stomach. Oh, wait, no, I still have the industrial pearl. Never mind. Swallowed objects persist. Okay, what's the Echo got for us now? Whoa. What is this thing? Have you really not been eaten? Well. Not in this strand, no. Don't be too proud. I can see your reflections. Yes. Behold, chomped by a flying thing. Torn to ribbons by a crawling thing. Pulled into the earth by wiggling things. A world of teeth and claws and beaks, brushards and acids. Forever. Where and forever when? Oh! Oh! Huh? What? Huh? Huh? What's with our karma? Coral caves? Okay, this is new. Our karma is orb. This music is too soothing. I don't trust it. What's this? Is it? Oh, hello, scavenger. Okay, what about the other way out? Ooh. Ooh, yeah. That threat thing. Oh, the drum? Whoop, 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 whoop. That's a death pit. Still have cycles, but... How can I get up? Pretty sure that's a death pit. Era? Hello? Playing Rain World, I see? Imagine that. I hope you didn't run into any other technical issues. But hello. If you got a raid and run that is no scale off of my tail, at the very least, I hope you can stand up, wiggle around, leave a piss, take a water, you know, grab some snacks. Don't fall into the void, which we definitely just did. You know, maybe get your water from someplace different than you piss. You know, I prefer some nice, cool, refreshing, filtered water, you know, but I mean, you do you. If y'all are coming over from Era's place and you plumb forgot to follow that wonderful, wonderful bat, I'm going to make it easy for you. I press a button. Now you press a button and you can check out Era whenever they go live again. Just metaphysical issues. Boy, howdy have I felt that. Things have really gotten squiggly. I feel like I've wasted like half my game time testing, trying to force things when the game has been very like, you can only go here, here, and here. So now we're getting to interesting places. So if you want, I don't know if you ended up at the same area I'm in, or where you stopped off. But yes. I'll give some time for people who don't want to be spoiled to bounce on out. If y'all don't know me, I am Dreki Draconic Serpent, Flightless Dragon, or simply Worm on the internet. And as you might know, if you were over at Era's place and coming here, we are playing the Watcher DLC that just released for Rain World. And I plan on marathoning it all day until completion, and then you know we'll think about where we go from there. I don't know how long it's gonna take. I mean, surely it can't be any longer than when I accidentally marathoned Hunter, and it took me like 8 to 10 hours. Half of that was getting out of farm arrays or through subterranean until complete. I mean, so some of those lizards are you really want to have some protection before you penetrate them, because they have an explosive surprise for you otherwise. But I am about to get into things, and we will see if I'm about to die in this death pit, because I think I got myself stuck. Wait, no, there's an up. This does not look like an up arrow. But it is. Noted. I don't like my odds of making that jump. I cannot believe you, game. What is this bullshit? Well, I don't think I'm a chieftain of the scavengers anymore. I may have fucked that up. Hey, buddy. That's rough. Have a spear. I need to fix my reputation with y'all. Please don't kill me. It was an accident, I swear. Pop turtles. Menaces to society. That is some very clear blue water. Interesting. We have a lot of squid cicadas. I do want to get to a shelter, though. Have we eaten? Nope, we need food. Yeah, we are getting a squid. Huh! I want to see what's up here. Hello, Zonkadoodle. Fancy seeing you around these parts. Attempting to tame this pink lizard. Damn it, Bobby. Where the hell are you going? Hang on, jellyfish. Stunning your lizard there, Bobby. Gotta make friends, Bobby. Them lizards trusted you. Question is, what is with my karma symbol? Okay, this screen is... Huh? Oh, damn. We lost so much reputation with that scavenger kill. Oh, fuck. Jump to view map for region. Pick up, return to regional map. There's a scavenger in with us. Dude, you made a bad decision. Okay, I do want to get the friend. May have made a mistake by jumping down here. I don't know how we're going to be able to rest with a friend now. Do not hurt me. That's one way to get spears to farm reputation, is just keep throwing turtles on them. Anyway, I think this is the bottom part of the area we've already gone through. You might need to make a new friend though, chat. I don't know where Plinko went. I don't think it's a very good area to try and get the friend passage, to be honest. Okay. If I go over here, can Plinko follow me back up? Will the lizard routing bring them to me somehow? I mean, maybe if I get far enough away, they'll, not de-render, but like... Orange lizards! Ooh. You can make friends with a pack. That would be fun. Need something to feed them with, though. That's the problem. There we go. I feel like Plinko isn't coming to us. What are you? Hello? What are you, little guy? Hi. Can I pick you up? I can. I can also throw you. Can I put you in my stomach? No. What are you? You're cute. I don't know what you do. Doesn't look to do anything underwater? It does look tasty. I'm gonna feed it to a lizard. Oh, there's a bunch of leeches. Ah, shit. Keep getting stuck on some of these areas that don't look like... Ah! What the fuck? Okay, first off, fuck the snail. Okay, they do not see it as... The lizard does not see it as food. Noted. It seemed to have disappeared somehow. Ow. Ah! I see. It zaps me. Hey, why are y'all, like, blocking that area? I don't like you guys. Ah! Ah! Hey, the snail is dislodging him. Oh, fucker. Where are they going now? They gonna wall me in? Well, I can get through here now, so that's cool. Still need to find a dang shelter. Guess I can go down here. Ah! seems like a bad place to go. What do you think, Goober? I think this is a bad idea. We're gonna go back. I want to figure out what the deal is with this little gooper. Maybe I'll kill it and eat it next cycle to see if it does anything. I'll get you. Don't think I won't. And these hidden pipes are kind of a bugger. Hey, Dreki. Cycle's been pretty long, buddy. Mysterious music. Is that a giant jellyfish over there? It is a giant jellyfish. All right, interesting. Oh, the axolotl's coming for me, chat. It wants my slooty! My delicious, delectable slug cat booty! So tender. What is this way? Alright, that's edge of the map. Kelp. You monster. That's right. Writhe in pain and suffering, kelp. No, my goober! Well, I guess we'll figure out what they taste like some other time. Fucker ate them. Okay. I am so lost. Where is a frickin' shelter? Cool, a karma flower. All the good that does me. I need a shelter, please. Not a shelter there. There is not a shelter here, although now I'm aware of where that leads. We're gonna have to check over here. See if the room to the next of this leads to a shelter. I guess we're gonna see what the rain is like. Really, game? Just one giant frickin'... Ah. Different room than I thought it was. I see. Well... Shoot. That sucks. Don't go down. Don't go down. Why did you go down? Alright, let's store food in here. Grab a spear. Where's our squid food? Squid? Where's the frickin' squid? Ah, there we go. You know what? Damn. Damn. Ah. Are the leeches gonna get my frickin' squid? Leeches ate my frickin' squid. Great. Love that for me. Now the question is, where the frick do I go? I mean, I guess the only way to go is past the giant jellyfish. Oh, this is new. Insta-kill! Alright, dude. Alright, I'm done trying to be friends. I'm just fucking gonna send it. Just gonna get my food and go, buddy. Man, that echo sure wasn't lying when it said I was gonna die. Might as well fill out the map of the middle area. Okay, we got some kelp over here. Is kelp gonna eat those fuckers? Apparently not. What is with that screaming noise? Oh, okay, so those things can die. I guess you have to get, like, underneath their shell. They were certainly tootin'. Fuck off. Go away. Go away. Okay, we're on the upper area, which is not Good with all these orange lizards. Juke this one. And there's one more, I think. Oh, it's tootin'! Weird little guy! Come back to me, weird little guy. I see. Wait. Coated our spear in something. Ooh, they are worth 2. Hold on. Can we... Ah, there's a lizard there! I am losing my fucking mind. Fucking pop turtles, dude. I forgot, I can go invisible. Why am I exhausted? I can't go invisible? The fuck happened? Do I need karma reinforcement to be able to go invisible? What is going on? Why is my slug cat exhausted? Okay, whatever it coated my weapon with, it certainly does not have anything to do with getting past those fuckers. I am going to scream. Alright, well, I guess we'll figure out what to do with that spear some other time. Oh, thank you, Pop Turtles. They actually threw it up to me. Nice. What the fuck, Slug Cat? The fuck is your problem? Oh my god. Let's eat some bubble fruit. Yeah, we need to go up, so we gotta go far left. Huh? What is going on? Oh, I dropped my spear again. Fuck. I'm at full food. Well, we're gonna frickin' die to the rain. We got that going for us, I guess. Come on. I just want to make progress, please. Oh, wow. The sky darkened real fast. And schlorped. Saw it coming.